one of the fastest devices that made its way to our hands from the official announcement is definitely the new Nokia 2.4. Announced around 2 weeks ago, the new Nokia 2.4 is already available to purchase in many markets. The Nokia 2.4 represents a new edition of the Nokia 2 series of devices that has been known for big batteries and affordable price tag, and the 2.4 seems to be no stranger to that. The device also arrived in a Nokia branded cotton bag, which is a nice touch. In the box of our review unit, we find the usual paperwork, the device, 5 watts charger and a USB to microSP cable. Some markets will also get headphone, so it's best to check local Nokia mobile sites to know exactly. For a budget device, Nokia 2.4 comes with an impressive design. The first thing you notice when you pick up the phone is that the backside has a texture that makes the phone less slippery than phones with glass back or with polished plastic that should mimic that glass back. It's really nicely done and resistant to fingerprints. The other thing is the plastic frame of the device that is tightly fitted between the back and front. Usually low-end phones don't have a frame on the side, but the side is part of the back cover, and if they do have a frame, the junction between the side and back isn't airtight. The 2.4 on the other hand really impresses in the way it's put together. And there is also a fingerprint sensor on the back, something the Nokia 2 series didn't have until now. Our review unit came in the charcoal color. That isn't really the usual black, because just like the new dusk and fjord colors, depending on the light, the charcoal will go from dark gray to light gray. And it's matte finish, not glossy, making the color change more subtle and less reflective. Basic specifications: 6.5 inches HD plus 20:9 1600 by 720p screen. MediaTek Helio P22. 2 GB RAM plus 32 GB storage, 3 GB plus 64 GB storage. MicroSD card slot. 13MP f/2.2 rear camera plus 2MP depth sensor plus LED flash. 4500 mAh battery, 5 watts charging via micro USB port. 802.11b/g/n, BT, 5.0, GPS/A GPS plus GLONASS plus Speedo, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer. 2 mic, FM radio receiver, Google Assistant button, rear fingerprint sensor, IPX2 ingress protection, power key, no LED. Android 10. Price: €119, $139, 10,280 Indian rupees. In any case, Nokia 2.4 left a good first impression, and we will see how the device will handle everyday usage in the coming days. If you have some questions or suggestions what to test on the 2.4, do leave it in the comments below. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.